When entering a guest room with food as a waiter, follow these professional steps. Check the room number and order details carefully. Knock on the door 3 times and say, "Room service. May I come in?" Wait for the guest's response. If the guest says, "Come in," slowly open the door. Greet the guest politely. "Good evening, sir or madam. Your order has arrived." Ask where they would like the food placed. "Where would you like me to set the food?" Place the food neatly and explain any special items if needed. Confirm the order. "Is everything correct, sir or madam?" Thank the guest. "Thank you. Enjoy your meal." Leave the room quietly and close the door gently. Important: never enter a guest room without permission, except in emergencies or according to hotel policy. Always be polite, professional, and respectful of the guest's privacy.